Hello everybody, and welcome back to the Underground channel. A lot of people was wanting me to show them the inside of my man cave tiny house and wanting to see how I framed it. They said that for some reason my last video it won't play for them, so I don't know what happened. So basically, to answer your questions, I do have a full-size, oversized, king-size mattress up there, and I can lay any which way I want and stretch out and sleep good like a baby up there. And I got it all framed, 3 rooms. This is going to be the bathroom, full-size bathroom over here. This is my tool room right here, and I don't have the doors up yet. I just got the basic frame done and built it so that I can have a good place to sleep and stretch out. Everybody wanted to know what I'm going to do for a place to eat. Okay, I've already got this side. It all folds out and it serves as a couch. And this is my eating place, my workstation, and where I read my Bibles of a night. And I'm going to build another one of these later on down the road, but right now I don't want it fixed on this side till I decide how I'm actually going to put my kitchen in and size it up for a refrigerator. So I'm using, my brother got me a temporary stove, which is pretty nice. It was very expensive, but it will serve the purpose. It was a whole $1. That's how much it cost. My brother found that. And then he found a cheap microwave at some place, I guess a garage sale maybe, and it's working good. And I got a little small refrigerator. This is all temporarily until I get what I'm going to figure out the way I want my kitchen counter space, and entertainment center's already framed in. That's a 50-inch screen TV. I got a temporary ceiling fan up there. This is a single person loft to sleep on, but because I'm by myself, I'm using it for storage. And then the master loft up there is probably, it's about 15 feet wide or long and about 7 feet, if I remember right, from here to there, maybe 6 feet. So this is all framed in and ready to start putting the walls and the doors up once I get my bathroom, shower and toilet and everything to be fixed in there. I turned the camera around. I don't have all my equipment. I'm turning this into my video studio too, and then I want to have a portable green screen behind me. So that's what it looks like. Jeff, I'm sorry you couldn't watch my last video. I don't know what's wrong. When I put it on and on my computer, I can watch it. It works fine. So now then, I got some more questions. People have asked me, sent me email. They have on one of my other YouTube channels and my other channel on Facebook, and they're wanting to know if I will sell this one. Yes, this is up for sale for the right kind of money, and right now the shell, the building itself, is $7,800. So I've already bought the 6-foot double pane window. You know how much that is. And I've built the full-size loft up there. And I started my kitchenette and workstation. I mean, it can come out, but that's up to you. And I made a deal that if somebody buys this, I will sell it for $12,000. You can finish it up, but that as is. If I do the rest of the electric, the the circuit breaker box for solar panel and wind generator and Sure Power and an actual gas generator, so that no matter what, you'll always got electricity and never have to worry about paying electric bill again. It's going to be much higher. That's why these buildings will go up to 100 grand. It just depends on if it's totally off grid. You know how expensive that stuff is. But as is, with the DeWalt 60-gallon air compressor, the drill press, and over $500 worth of DeWalt tools, battery operated ones, which are good, is what I'm using to finish this up. $12,000. And then you got shipping. So I hope you live close by or know somebody that can ship it. It's 15 feet wide and I believe it's 20 feet long. So that's my answer to your question. The insulation, I got to get about a $750 pallet of insulation, and then that's my next project. I'm almost ready to finish my electric and everything. I got to get all the plugs and the switches, the on and off switches, and when I get done with the ceiling, the lights will be built into the ceiling. Can you see me? Sorry, I'm limited on the equipment that I have. So that's what I got to say about this building. This building is a little bit bigger than the ones you see on the side of the road, and the ones on the side of the road, the next couple sizes down, those run about $7,800. So I think it's a good price for as big as this place is, and it's the right size to turn into a man cave, a she shed, or to make your little store. And instead of buying a store somewhere or renting a store, you can rent a place to park this on some parking lot somewhere, you know, and maybe pay a little bit of rent for the lot. And a lot of people are doing that, turning these things in to stores, downsizing, and putting their products in here. So that can be, you can do that too if that's up your alley. So the next question is, should you buy one on the side of the road like you see at these places? Like the lady saw an 8 by 12 for $6,900, and she sent me a little video. And Linda, if you're watching, don't buy it. I don't know if you know about wood or these buildings, but if you hire somebody like me, you could get it done probably for about half price and built the way you want it, because I would build it while you're there. If you want a room to be different, or if you're building it into a store, how to have you like on the side of a food truck, you know, put that on the side, or to put your products inside, however it is you want. But my suggestion, I wouldn't buy any of those that are built with particle boards. You're just going to have problems down the road because they swell up. Maybe not in the first year, but in the second and third years, particle board swells up. I could take you outside and show you, particle board that's been damp. It should be about that thin, but it's about that thick right now. So I hope you can see me good. So another lady up in Michigan contacted me, wanted to know if I would come to her site, her location, and build one near a creek. She says her creek is about 4 feet deep and about 15 feet wide. To me, that's a little bit bigger than a creek. But she wants a bridge built and then her tiny home on the other side. And the way she showed me on her video, I can do that. So, and yes, you don't want to buy one of these pre-made buildings because, like you said, there's no roads to get there. How's a truck going to get it there? And then you got all those trees. They can't go in and out the trees. So that little path I saw is like for four-wheeler ATVs or motorcycles, and it looks pretty rough for bicycles. So yes, I can come there, and I can, what I would do is all the supplies to build the thing, your she shed or your tiny home, I would pull it in with an ATV and a trailer. Take more trips, but you're going to save a ton of money having to chop all those trees to make a road to get your already made building like I got. Well, thank you. I'm glad you like this so far. Appreciate that. And I got a little ways to go to get it finished, but I'm doing the inside now. But anyways, yeah, I can do that. So either email me again or drop a comment down below and tell me that you're ready to go or you want to make more plans, and then we can get an estimate and go from there. And I know you said you're selling your house, or you sold it, I don't know. Don't spend the money. Save it and hold it in your pocket, and we'll talk, and most likely I'll come there and stay there until it's finished. How's that sound to you? To anybody else, which is a couple other people wanting me to come and see if I can build on top of a mountain somewhere, in where we live, I forget. And yes, I can come anywhere in the United States. If it's what you want and you want it built on site, I can save you some money, but don't forget, I'm not coming up there to work for free. I'm trying to get to my family in the Philippines, but having me there when we're building, if you got something to change or you want something different, it's best to do it on location than it is for you to go buy one of these made up already buildings and then try to work with that and it end up not being the right size or big enough, and you just can't get everything that you thought you could into it, like a full-size bathroom, a bedroom for you and your woman, or a loft for your kids. It's best to do it then and there on the spot, and once we got the blueprints all drawn up, we go and get the materials, and I can pretty much have it all up in one day. So any of the other ones that has been on my Facebook, or if you're just now watching me on YouTube, if you got any ideas or you want yours built on location to save money and to have it custom built the way you want, contact me, leave a thing below, and we'll talk. If we come to a deal and I'm not on another job, I'll put you in line for the next job. Or if I'm not have started to travel yet, just let me know. I'll put you on the list, and once we come up with the deal, I'll load up the van and drive straight to your location and meet you there, and I'll be there until it's finished. And this way you'll feel more like your home belongs to you because you designed it and made it exactly the way you want it. as it's being built. So let me know. Hope you like this. And please subscribe, because I'm getting ready to do more videos as I put the insulation up, the circuit breaker box for solar and generator and shore power and wind turbine, so that it all works together. And no matter what, your batteries always stay charged and you never run out of electricity. You might have to change your batteries once every 5 years and go from there, if that's what you want. A totally off-grid tiny house or she shed or man cave. So let me know and give me a call, and we can build this custom to exactly the way you want by having me there building it for you. So be sure to subscribe. That helps me out a lot. Have a nice day, and God bless you, and see you next time.